Hey friends, if you wish to disable TLS 1.0 on Windows, then please watch this video. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open the Internet Properties window. Now go to the Advanced tab and scroll down, okay, till you reach the TLS section, and you have TLS 1.0 and 1.1. Now by default in modern computers it is disabled, but if by chance it is enabled, then you can disable it. Click on apply and then on OK. Now why are we disabling TLS 1.0? Because it is an older standard that is not required now. Furthermore, there are no specific security updates for this one, and because of that it can also expose your internet to problems like the beast attack, and the PCI DSS authority mandates disabling it since mid 2018. So the recommended standards are 1.2, TLS 1.2, 1.3 or higher than that. And if you don't do that, again you are exposing yourself to a lot of attacks. Is it required for anything? Absolutely not. It has been depreciated way back. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.